Merry Christmas!
Pasko na!
And today we have another recipe for you guys this coming Christmas. And I think it looks delicious. Just the ingredients by itself is just like very yummy for my tummy. So what are we cooking or baking today?
We're gonna do lemon pistachio cake. And so,
lemon. Oh, this is lemon.
Welcome
to our kitchen.
Let's preheat the oven to 350. So here are our ingredients. We have flour, sugar, pistachio nuts, matcha powder. We have baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla, 1 egg, yogurt, olive oil, lemon zest. We have heavy whipping cream. We've got milk, another sugar, cream cheese, and lemon juice. And it is important that they are all in room temperature. And group together all the dry ingredients. So first, let's sift the flour, matcha powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Next, we'll add the sugar and the love of many pistachio nuts. Whisk till they're well blended and set aside. In a different bowl, we're gonna add together the egg, got the olive oil. So first all the dry, now the wet ingredient. We've got the yogurt, now the milk, and a teaspoon of, or half a teaspoon of vanilla. We are just to whisk until it's well blended. And I will add the lemon zest. Now we'll add the wet to the dry ingredients. And then we'll just fold and try to avoid over mixing it. We have this, I think it's 6 by 8 baking dish, and we'll just transfer this. I put a parchment paper, but you could also just grease the pan. You could see the pistachio bits in there. Can't wait to try this to see if it's a good one. Lemon and pistachio. And let's bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So let's check if the 20 minutes already is enough to cook our cake, to bake our cake. Oops. Looks like still wet. With all that jiggling, it's still needing more. So let's add 5 more minutes. We'll probably need more, but let's see. So it took 30 minutes to bake it. We'll let it cool for 20 minutes in a rack, and then we're gonna prepare our cream cheese frosting. And now let's make the cream cheese frosting. We don't have a hand mixer, but we're gonna try if this small amount will work dito sa ating big mixer. So that's the cream cheese. Next is we're gonna add the heavy whipping cream a little at a time. We're gonna mix this until the heavy whipping cream and the cream cheese forms, it peaks, you know. We'll add the sugar, vanilla, or you could do almond extract, and then we'll add our lemon juice. So you could decorate your cake with the frosting a fancy way, or you could just simply put the frosting on top, or you could cut the cake sliced with decorated frosting. Our ingredients, we have flour, sugar, pistachio nuts, matcha,